At Macrodyne, we don't just build equipment. We engineer complete artillery shell manufacturing systems built for precision, throughput, and long-term production confidence. From 155mm shell forming to fully integrated production lines, every system is designed around the real demands of modern defense manufacturing. Repeatability, control, scalability, and uptime. From raw material to finished shell, Macrodyne technology supports the full production journey. It starts with automated bar handling and precision billet cutting, establishing consistency before forming ever begins. From there, high-efficiency induction heating prepares each billet for the force, accuracy, and control required in large-caliber ammunition production. At the core of the line, Macrodyne forging systems, including upset, draw, and nosing presses, shape each shell with repeatable force, motion, and process control. Integrated automation, intelligent lubrication, and rapid tooling changeovers help reduce handling, improve uptime, and keep production moving. After forming, heat treatment, machining, and rigorous inspection support the quality and performance standards required for critical defense components. With scalable production rates from 15 to 100 shells per hour, Macrodyne systems are built to support today's programs and adapt as production demands increase.
For applications that require final loading and assembly, Macrodyne can also support integrated load, assemble, pack line solutions, bringing controlled filling, automated handling, inspection, assembly, marking, and packing into one connected production system.
And with optional servo-controlled filling systems, the process can be completed with the same level of precision, control, and confidence. Because in defense manufacturing, every step matters. Every billet, every shell, every shift. Every system has to perform when the demand is real, the timeline is urgent, and the outcome matters. Macrodyne delivers complete artillery shell production solutions, engineered around the process, built for scale, ready for the mission ahead.